this interesting topic, choose career option and what are the possible way by which you can get a good chance to improve yourself and to get a good job. Okay. And Abhishek, one more thing I will prefer to you. Also, please take some screenshot in between the sessions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So today again we are going to start up what how to choose a career options. As already I've discussed, this is a very important topic and very you can say common question to every students. Till then, get a job. Okay. So today we will discuss. I'm Aman Keshavani, and this is program powered by Lesromore and Anna University collaborations. And all thank go to Abhishek. Okay, so now let's know about me. Who am I? Then you can understand what I can do for you and what I can suggest for you. So first of all, I'm a Microsoft Learning Ambassador, and also I'm a founder of Lestromore. As you all know, like what is Lestromore? If not, I will let you know soon. And also, I'm a keynote speaker. I have been keynote speaker in nearly 5 to 10 universities till now in different states. And also, I'm a web developer. And by passion, I also a cloud enthusiasm means I have done some cloud computing workshop as well, and also I've taken some session on cloud as well. And as well as I have a Python developer. I have developed some apps using Pythons and also teaches and taking sessions on Python as well. And yeah, I'm also good in techno management. As you know, like if you are in management, then you are only going to build anything. So I will prefer these two words, techno plus management. Okay. So these two words are most important when you're going to start your startup and with digital means with technology as well, not only startup. Okay. And also I am a social worker because how I can prove I am a social worker. I have been provided with so many opportunities. I have been part of 10 plus NGOs, and also I have been part of my own NGO, that's Less More, and in which I have we have feeded 2000 plus people in the lockdown. So it doesn't matter like you get a job or not, you should be a profitable to the society. Then only you are going to build your career and also to feed your family. Not only family, you will also feed the society by your work that you do. So that's why these are the important points that you should know about me before proceeding. Cool. So today's agenda that we are going to discuss, that's most important five things that we are going to discuss. After that we have some more ppts, but yeah, in this ppt you are going to discuss five things. First thing is six steps to decide your career option. What are the 6 ways by which you can decide and choose a good career for you? Second, how to overcome from stress. If you are not able to get a job, if you are not performing well in your career, then how you overcome from stress? You can see like nowadays stress is very common to everyone. Now we'll talk about motivation. Everyone needs and everything needs motivation. Without motivation, you're not going to do anything. Okay. So we'll also discuss how it is going to help you in your success. Okay. And also how to stay safe from internet. I will show you and practical also like real life example. What are the benefits and also like pros and cons you can say in a short word. This everywhere. And also in last, career in CS department. Why I mentioned CS department only? I will let you know in the coming slides. Till then, keep a high speed and we will let's begin our session. So first we are going to discuss 6 steps to decide your career option. These 6 steps is made by me and I've done some research, and due to which I found these 6 steps that you should follow. Everyone have their unique way to learn to accept, but yeah, I find these 6 steps is a very quick way to learn and proceed. So first, as you can see, it's DIFPSP. Short formula is DIFPSP. So we are going to discuss one by one everything in a detail. First, D says don't follow any Bhaiya and Didi, in which if you don't know Hindi, this Bhaiya and Didi is a Hindi word, but yeah, it's your elder brother and elder sister, we call it. Okay, so if your brother is an engineer or if your sister is a doctor, so don't follow them like, yeah, I am going to become that doctor and then only engineer. Okay, follow your passion that you have. You always get bad if you follow your passion. So that's why you should not follow anyone. Till then, you should have your confidence, you should have your passion. We will see how you can find your passion and all. Second thing is that interest based career. Thus, I'm talking about passion. In every 6 ways, passion word is common and that you have to follow. How you will follow that I will tell you later. First, understand these 6 points carefully. Second says interest based career means if you don't have interest, then you will not do. You will avoid that work and you will postpone all the works that you have in the currently. That's why I will prefer you don't follow any those things which you don't have any interest. And yeah, nowadays you can say everyone have only one interest to follow and to run social media. Okay, that's it. But yeah, that's not the future and that's not only our career. Let's discuss third step, that is F, future perspective. You should go on that field in which there is a future. Like not even I talk about CS department, that's IT field. Okay. Nowadays, there is one scopeful field, means in everywhere nowadays, IT is revolving the world. So that's why the future is only of IT. And nowadays you can see every admission and every people, every students are going in IT only. Either you are from civil department, either you are from WE department, either it's from EC department, all things are going in IT. I'm just saying an example, okay? So it's a future perspective thing. Fourth comes practically check. How you can check the practically? So you can check the practically thing by talking to their ex-employees or ex-researcher. Like if I'm a founder, so I can understand you about entrepreneurship, how you can start your own business, how you can start your own career in entrepreneurship. So that's why the thing you can talk to those people who are already doing that thing. Okay, like your brother or sister doing engineering, so you can ask him like such, you can ask suggestion from him, like how engineering is and how benefit he's giving to you. So like that you can ask those practically check. Like if you have interest in graphic designing, okay, so you can ask those graphic designer or freelancer who are doing graphic designer and earning a great money. We can ask them what are the future, means they are going to switch in any other career or they are going to carry on their own graphic designing thing. So that's the practically check, and the platform I will prefer to you for this LinkedIn. In LinkedIn, you can go to other employees of different education field. Not only in, like you can also talk to mass communication. That's journalism. So that's also a great career. Nowadays, you can see everywhere you will see there's lots of news channels. So it's also a career. But yeah, I'm talking to BTech perspective, so I'm not going to that. Yeah, I'm just saying an example. You can also check on LinkedIn and connect with those people in which field you have interest. Like someone like Amazon. You want to know about Amazon? Yeah, Amazon have career. Everyone knows that like Amazon is a good platform. You don't have to talk about company. You have to talk about your career. Means graphic designing, content writing, software engineer, cloud engineer, like that. You have to talk to your other employees who are working in the industry so that you can get a clear idea what's going on. Okay, when I talk about salary, don't go for salary for now. Like if you're getting 50 lakh, it's great. But yeah, in beginner, if you're not getting good salary, it's not, don't have to worry. You have to just patient, just do hard work. You will get paid after 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 20 lakh per annum. Don't worry. If you're getting the package 3 lakh, 4 lakh year now, in fresher road, there is no issue. But yeah, you will, as your experience will get above, your salary will automatically get hiked to up to 20 lakh. It's a practical thing. Okay, part-time job. How part-time job will help you? Like if you're residents, if you do some part-time work, that will help you and your family as well. Like you don't also ask your family to for purchasing anything. Like if you want anything for your uh, college, like if you a notebook, so for that also you have to take money from the parents. So for that you will prefer part-time jobs. The part-time job I'm preferring freelancing. Like if you know graphic designing, so for like if you make 5 to 10 posts for a big company, then you will get to paid. So it's a basic thing I'm telling to you. That's, you can say like freelancer.com, and there is some other website as well. Upwork. Upwork is a best website and a very friendly website. By will you will get a great idea what Upwork will do. So many people also get 1 lakh per month from Upwork by doing freelancing. They are not having any career, but yeah, they are just doing any freelancing thing by which they are earning 1 lakh per annum. So nothing is small. If you have a passion, if you have a thing to follow, then you should go with that. Hope this is clear. If any confusion in this slide, let me know so that we can clear it out. Yes, guys, any confusion in the slides? Okay, so hope you understand these. Cool. So these sixth topic is most important. We will see more in detail, like how you can see one topic again. Okay, so I'm revising it to a small time. DIFPSP. So you should not follow these only. If you have some other, do add it. But yeah, I'm suggesting you do follow these things, and also you can add on more things. You have 50 things, but yeah, these six things is the most important and the basic thing that you should follow before choosing any career. Either it's graphic designing, either content writing, either it's software engineer, either it's cloud engineer, either it's sales, either it's management, anything. If you're following, just try these things in your life. You are going to good in your career. Okay. Now, second topic comes how to overcome from stress. That's also now also I also feel stress sometimes if you have so much works to do. I have less time, but I have lots of work to do. That's why also I have to take some stress. Also, your family members take stress. Also, faculty take stress. Also, management take stress. There is no one who don't take stress. Everywhere is stress. But yeah, how to overcome? That's the most important thing. Okay. So first important thing that's I can understand it's a very you can say basic thing, but yeah, these are the important things by which you can going to understand your passion. If you don't do these things, then you're not going to identify your passion and you are not going to follow your passion. So that's why we are going to learn about these things. So these are the small things, but yeah, these small things also make life change. We have seen so many example, live example, they change their life by doing these things. So first point we have meditate your daily mind for your mind calm. Okay, so how many of you do meditation? Let's do a quick poll so we'll get an idea. Yes, you can. We can. I guess in India, not in India, in all over world. Yeah, for not writing here only, you also do. It's not for today only. For just 2 minutes, for 3 minutes. It's for your life. Okay, great. If you do, guys, that's really great. I will prefer to do daily at least 5 minutes, not much than that. We have 24 hours. We are just asking you for 5 minutes to do meditation. That will change your life. Okay. Second, that's it. Daily massage could you help? As you all know, like when we have our mind disturbed, then we ask our mother or sister or brother, please massage my head so that my mental stability should occur. So everyone asks that. So you should also ask daily basis. So it will, you can say your mind is daily and continuously wake up and you should not avoid anything to do work, like if any work given to you and you should avoid, I will do tomorrow, I will do after 1 hour. So for if you do this massage, then you will never postpone your work. Okay, so I will don't prefer like to postpone your work. For that you should do massage as well. Now third, spending time with your family. How many of you as well spend time nowadays? You can see everyone says if in one home, I guess in one home nowadays everyone have like 5 members is there, two sisters, one brother, father, mother. So everyone have mobiles. If anyone want one glass water, then they message in WhatsApp like, yeah, please come to me like with one glass water. So it's not a right thing. Okay, nowadays family interaction is totally over. So for that we have to speak up, we have to collaborate with them, we have to ask their queries, we have to like if nowadays, so I guess family issue is very high nowadays, very high. But due to corona, some circumstances is okay, but you should avoid those circumstances. Try to add value to your family as well, because everyone work with family and forever for family. If you have a family, then only you are going to work. No one work for himself or herself. Okay, everyone works for his family, so that their family can have a good culture, good atmosphere, good physical things. So that's the important thing you should understand. Overthinking, like someone got 10 CGPA, someone got 6 CGPA. So 6 CGPA person says, how I didn't get 10 CGPA. That's the important thing. Don't think about those things. Just try to improve day by day. If you have 10% today, try to do 10.01% tomorrow. So that's add value to your life. Okay. Don't try to compare yourself. You are unique and you have to do hard work. So don't compare to others. They are also unique. They are also doing hard work. Just also you are. It's a life. Everyone have their own life, their own love, and their own hard work. Then only you can going to get a success. Okay. Normal 6 to 7 hours sleep. So 6 to 7 is normal, and you should sleep at least 6 to 7 hours in your day. And for that, you will get a good energy, good vibe, by which you can have a good mindset, have a good retain your passion. Okay, so that's important thing. Spending time with nature. Nowadays, you can say running also is an important thing. Not only running, if you are just walking with your classmates, walking with your family members in the park. So that's an important thing as well for you to inhale those nature vibe that we are having in surrounding. Okay, so that's the most important thing you should follow as well. Exercising feet also important nowadays, as you can see. Like if someone is fatty, so every friends call him fatty. If you do fat exercising daily, then no one, and also it's not for calling fatty, it's for you also. Nowadays, if you have heard about Akshay Kumar, so Akshay Kumar says you should expend at least 20 minutes in your daily life, 20 minutes for exercising. Then only your mind going to work for you. Otherwise, there is no concept of working your mind for you. So you should work for 20 minutes as well. It's a small work. Either you can do cycling, either you can do running, either you can do walking, either you can do like any exercise. There's lots of exercise you can do. So these are the example that I suggest you. And also no place for stress. If you do exercise, there is no place of stress. So that's the important. And also your mind should be fit if you do exercise. And you always feel comfortable any work. Like if your boss is giving to you work, then you should like, I will do it. So that's the important thing. So these are the important thing you should do. Take a screenshot and also try to implement one by one. I don't prefer to do implement all in one day. Just try to implement one day meditation. Another day you can add on massage. Another day you can talk to your family members in like free time, not like in a business time, like in your working hours. I'm trying to say like in free hours you can just communicate with the family members either via phone. If you are not in your if you are in hostel like that, you can call and talk to them. And also don't overthink. All thing will be happen in a fixed time. No one is going to help you. You are alone to. We have seen so many example, live example. They change their life by doing these things. So first point we have meditate your daily mind for your mind calm. Okay. So how many of you do meditation? Let's do a quick poll so we'll get an idea. Yes, you can. We can, I guess, in India, not in India, in all over world. Yeah, for not writing here only, you also do. It's not for today only, for just 2 minutes, for 3 minutes. It's for your life. Okay, great. If you do, guys, that's really great. I will prefer to do daily in at least 5 minutes, not much than that. We have 24 hours. We are just asking you for 5 minutes to do meditation. That will change your life. Okay. Second, that's it. Daily massage could you help? As you all know, like when we have our mind disturbed, then we ask our mother or sister or brother, please massage my head so that my mental stability should occur. So everyone asks that. So you should also ask daily basis. So it will, you can say your mind is daily and to continuously wake up, and you should not avoid anything to do work. Like if any work given to you, and you should avoid, I will do tomorrow, I will do after 1 hour. So for if you do this massage, then you will never postpone your work. Okay, so I will don't prefer like to postpone your work. For that you should do massage as well. Now third, spending time with your family. How many of you as well spend time nowadays? You can see everyone says if in one home, I guess in one home nowadays everyone have like 5 members is there, two sisters, one brother, father, mother. So everyone have mobiles. If anyone want one glass water, then they message in WhatsApp like, yeah, please come to me like with one glass water. So it's not a right thing. Okay, nowadays family interaction is totally over. So for that we have to speak up You have to collaborate with them. You have to ask their queries. You have to, like, if nowadays, so I guess family issue is very high nowadays, very very high. But due to corona, some circumstances is okay, but you should avoid those circumstances. Try to add value to your family as well, because everyone work with family and forever for family. If you have a family, then only you are going to work. No one work for himself or herself. Okay, everyone works for his family, so that their family can have a good culture, good atmosphere, good physical things. So that's the important thing you should understand. Overthinking, like someone got 10 CGPA, someone got 6 CGPA. So 6 CGPA person says, how I didn't get 10 CGPA. So that's the important thing. Don't think about those things. Just try to improve day by day. If you have 10% today, try to do 10.01% tomorrow. So that's add value to your life. Okay. Don't try to compare yourself. You are unique and you have to do hard work. So don't compare to others. They are also unique. They are also doing hard work. Just also you are. It's a life. Everyone have their own life, their own love, and their own hard work. Then only you can going to get a success. Okay. Normal 6 to 7 hours sleep. So 6 to 7 is normal, and you should sleep at least 6 to 7 hours in your day. And for that, you will get a good energy, good vibe, by which you can have a good mindset, have a good retain your passion. Okay, so that's important thing. Spending time with nature. Nowadays, you can say running also is an important thing. Not only running, if you are just walking with your classmates, walking with your family members in the park. So that's an important thing as well for the for you to inhale those nature vibe that we are having in surrounding. Okay, so that's the most important thing you should follow as well. Exercising, exercising feet also important nowadays, as you can see. Like if someone is fatty, so every friends call him fatty. If you do fat exercising daily, then no one. And also it's not for calling fatty, it's for you also. Nowadays if you have heard about Akshay Kumar, so Akshay Kumar says you should expend at least 20 minutes in your daily life, 20 minutes for exercising. Then only your mind going to work for you. Otherwise there is no concept of working your mind for you. So you should work for 20 minutes as well. It's a small work. Either you can do cycling, either you can do running, either you can do walking, either you can do uh, like any exercise. There's lots of exercise you can do. So these are the example that I suggest you. And also no place for stress. If you do exercise, there is no place of stress. So that's the important. And also your mind should be fit if you do exercise, and you always feel comfortable any work. Like if your boss is giving to you work, then you should like, I will do it. So that's the important thing. So this is the important thing you should do. Take a screenshot and also try to implement one by one. I don't prefer to do implement all in one day. Just try to implement one day meditation. Another day you can add on massage. Another day you can talk to your family members in like free time, not like in a business time, like in your working hours. I'm trying to say like in free hours you can just communicate with the family members either via phone. If you are not in your if you are in hostel like that, you can call and talk to them. And also don't overthink. All thing will be happen in a fixed time. No one is going to help you. You're alone to help you. Okay, so that's why don't think over. Yeah, normal sleep is most important. Spending time nature, that's most important. You should spend at least 5 to 10 minutes. You should spend with nature. It's our beauty, like we have a nature. And exercising daily, that's most benefit for you to overcome from stress. Not only stress, your mind and body should be fit if you do exercise. Okay, why motivation alone make you successful? How many of you know Sandeep Maheshwari? Yes, you don't know, all of you, like Sandeep Maheshwari. Who is Sandeep Maheshwari? Okay, cool. I guess you all know, but no one want to say. I know. Fine. So the question says, why motivation alone make you successful? Nowadays you can see there lots of YouTube videos who says about motivation. Lots of tons of videos. You can say you can't count the number of videos which are on motivation, but it won't make you successful. Till when? Then till you are going to implement those things. If you're listening, that's great, but try to implement something from that video in your life. Then only you are going to implement. So it's certain also, everyone can motivate you, but only you can guide yourself. That's the most important thing you have to understand. You can listen everything. So many people can advise you, but the thing that will happen only when you try to guide yourself, try to understand the thing which are going to you. The term comes right understanding. Right understanding says if you have a right understanding, then you are going to make perfect everywhere. Wherever you go, the thing will be perfect already because you have a right understanding. So the word, make sure you highlight this word whenever you try to understand someone about anything. Right understanding is a great thing to achieve. No people can have right understanding. Till then, you can't guide yourself. Okay. So make sure you should have a right understanding. How you will get there, lots of steps. I will tell you soon. But for now, you have to understand right understanding. Then only you can guide yourself. Okay. Not motivation. Motivation is also important in your life, but yeah, you can see, you can watch the videos over YouTube, over shorts. There are lots of things which says about Vivekanand ji, and there are lots of people who says Sandeep Maheshwari already told you, they told about you motivation. So like that also I have mentioned and quoted one thing: self exploration and your determination is equally important to succeed. So this word says self exploration. If I say, how many of you can tell about yourself in 5 minutes continuously? Any one of you who can tell about yourself 5 minutes? Means 5 minutes continuously. Like I'm saying, I'm Aman Keshavani, like that. 5 minutes about yourself continuously. No one. So the reason behind that is simple. You are don't have any explanation about yourself. So first try to explore about yourself. What is self-expression and what is self-determination? Then only you are going to make your career a successful career and a good career and a perfect career for you, and passionful career as well, and interest-based career. Okay, so I will prefer you to explore yourself, how you can going to make money. This is a simple thing, how you're going to money, how you're going to make a money. Okay, the main important thing is how you're going to find your passion. If you find your passion, there is no way to earn money. Okay, the money will automatically come if you find your passion. The three main things is also there. There is an expiration date. If I'm telling you this thing today, maybe something will be changed, but mostly things will be remain same. Okay, if someone says you like just know about Vivekanand ji or Gandhi ji, like that they have said in 1960s or some ways more earlier. So that things not very similar today also. Something are changing, but mostly things are same. But yeah, everything have expiration date. You also eat something, in every product there is a expiration date and mention date, production date. So 2 days always there. When the thing made, I am also having expiration date. You also having expiration. So everyone is going to expire one day. So like that also, motivation also have their limited time. If you don't utilize them, they also expire from your mind. So make sure if you learn something about motivation or if you watch video on motivation, try to implement something from that video or from that article that you have heard about. Just try to implement in that day itself. Otherwise, it will be expired and that will be of no use. So that's there is expiration date. It means it says it's not connected to your purpose. Sometimes you're from CS branch, but you are watching something irrelevant to your. But yeah, it's a motivation, but it's not for your use. So why you are watching it? You're wasting your time. Just utilize to improve yourself day by day. Don't fool yourself. Don't waste your time. Time is money. You can see, and it's a truth as well. If you waste your time, there's no way to get back. Okay, so it's important as well. It's not connected to your purpose. So make sure whatever you are doing, it should be of your purpose. Otherwise, there's no way to improve yourself and to get success in your passion. Yeah, the most important thing is that without action, motivation means nothing. I told you earlier as well. If you listen everything, but you're not implementing in yourself, not implementing with the society that you're saying, so no one is nothing motivation, nothing. That so the thing that you have to understand action. You have to perform action if your motivation, if you are taking motivation from the YouTube, from the other sources, from the articles, from someone you are seeing physically, if you are seeing an or audio podcast, lots of things nowadays you can see. But yeah, if you are not implementing, then that's not successful for you, because the motivation says if you listen something, then you have to action it. Means if you listen, then you have to perform that in your way. Either it's your study, either it's your work, either it's your business life, it's anything. But yeah, it says if you have learned something, you have to implement. Like exam, we learn something, then we have to give exam. So like that, if you have some motivation, if you're taken some motivation from other person, other sources, then you have to implement in your life. Then only you are going to make your career success. Not only career, it will be beneficial for all of the people who are associated with you. So that's the most important thing you should understand. How to stay safe from internet. How many of you uses Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter? I guess all of us uses. It's normal thing nowadays. Everyone have Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So everywhere we see so many newses, and we have to identify what is nowadays you can say viral. There is a term come in the internet, viral. So why it goes viral? Which is beneficial for the all, or which is wasteful for for all of us, which are or funny. That thing goes viral. Okay, maybe also sometimes fake news also goes from viral. Okay, so you have to understand. We all know the power of internet. Nowadays we are connected through internet, so it's very beneficial. Like I'm sharing my knowledge to you guys. It's very beneficial for you and also beneficial for me. I'm sharing my knowledge to you by internet. So it's a beneficial thing. It's advantage of internet, but that we are using. It can change anything. As you can see, no one understand. Like all the people go online. Either business already goes online, classes already goes online. Everything is going online through internet. I even think 20 years ago, like everything goes online. So that's the change. Internet can change anything. It's changed you as well, because nowadays robots are also allowing internet suffering. If you ask them, they will search from the Google and tell you the answer. That's our AI that we are having, like Alexa we having, and so many things. Google Assistant we having in our every phone we having. So it's connected through our internet as well. Okay, so make sure before learning anything, verify it. I've already said it, like nowadays so many fake news already there. If someone suggesting you do this thing, so first try to understand this is true or not. Just try to verify from other person as well. Try to identify from your seniors, from your parents, from your faculties, it is true or not. The best example I will share with you here. India.com, there's a website. It's claimed TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, SCL, Tech Mahindra, other IT firms to lay off 30 lakh employees. It says like 30 lakh employees are going to out from these companies. But the official says we will not clarify data points shared in the article. India.com are not from any NASCOM report. Means if they are taking the NASCOM report, but it says we don't have any data regarding this, how you are saying? You can see both things are contradicting with each other. They are mentioning NASCOM and they are saying something else. So it's a main example, and we have to understand. If anyone listen about this, so everyone shocked. Like, yeah, what about my career? I also not going to get any job. So that is an important thing, and it also suppresses to check everything. How many things we can check. So you can do one thing. You just try to follow some or very confidential things, which is official news only. Just don't follow everything. Okay, it will benefit for you, and I will suggest internet very useful. Yes, you will use and you should use, and you should also prefer to everybody to use internet. But yeah, for the benefit for of ourselves only. You're not going to destroy others. Okay. Yeah. So the today topics. Okay, let me ask one more question. How many of you have computer science branch? Yes. How many of you of computer science? Abhishek, can you please confirm? All are CSE. Cool. Then it will be more beneficial for us as well to understand the concept. Okay. As we are from CS branch, so I will let you know the career which is on computer science. Highest paying jobs. As we all know, the highest package received till now is 1.6 crore rupees in Triple IT Delhi. Okay, so Triple IT Delhi get one student get a job from I guess UK or from Google India. 1.6 crore. Okay, so it's the highest job till now in the IT sector of India. Any student get job in computer science. Okay, so you get an idea what is computer science and how much it can pay you. He's also doing 4-year BTech, but he's getting 1.6 crore rupees per annum. You can see the difference is something which having you qualify some skill means. When I talk about computer science, data structure is the most important thing you should know. I will discuss one by one, but yeah, if you have a data structure, problem solving skill, every company pay you high. The main thing they want to understand problem solving skill using any programming language, either it's Java, Python, or C or C++. It will also don't matter, but yeah, you should know at least one programming language in which you can solve problem solving skill. This is the most important thing that high big company wants. They don't want you to understand web development, Android development. They don't want these things. They want you to solve problems, big problems, which is real world problems. That's why they are having a big question in the competitive round. Okay, as you are in final year, so you most of you also got place and you also preparing yourself. Okay, so the preparation, like I will prefer to you, they don't want Android developer, they don't want web developer, they want problem solver. Most of the companies which are in big, because they provide trainings, they provide you their courses, they provide you their mentors who will guide you. I'm talking about big companies, but yeah, a small company wants web developers, Android developers, but also problem solver. So if you are a good problem solver, you are going to get a good job in any way. IT field is very large. You are going to get at least 5 lakh per annum job in a very easy way if you know something. That is problem solving skill using any programming language. So let's go to our slides that we are having. It says our computer scientists paid well. I've already told you like how much we can earn. 1.6 crore at least. Okay. For IT Delhi. Okay. Obviously we can earn. That's because the demand for IT space is higher than ever. The corona, COVID-19 is already told you how IT field grows exponentially because everyone goes online. Everyone, either it's for Flipkart, either it's for online classes, either it's for Google Meet. So many also products come. Zoom, you can say Zoom. No one knows, but after Corona, everyone knows Zoom. What is Zoom? Okay, Google Meet. It's also come in Corona in a very high peak. Like that, we have so many example, live example in which IT field is expanding exponentially. Social media growth. Now, when everyone want their social media page grows, their social media activity should grow. So also they hire digital specialists. Okay, like that, you everyone needs every company, either a small company is there, they need IT specialists because everything is going on online. They need a website, they need an Android app. For that, it doesn't matter like if you build an app today, so they don't need IT specialists. They need forever till the app is exist because the app need maintenance, the app need updation, the app need circulation. Means if you have our body as well as an example, you do like some bathing daily, brush daily, like that. It's a basic thing that also you need. Like that, app also needs these things. So that's why IT specialist needs forever till the app exists. That's why the jobs are not going to end in IT. Okay. Additionally, you will find it's not easy to become a computer science expert, but I will know how computer science you are going to be expert. I already told you problem solving skill if you're having, you will get a good job, you will get a good payment from the company, you will get a good orientation in your company as well because you have a good problem solving skill. And everyone have problems. That's why company hires you to solve their problems in a very good way. Okay, using programming, using development, using Android development, like that. Most jobs require a bachelor degree in computer science. Nowadays, you can say TCS Infosys is also hiring BSc. So you can see what you think like BSc people will do in IT field. But yeah, they're hiring. Okay. So nothing is impossible. If you have a degree in computer science, IT, either it doesn't matter you are doing BTech. Yesterday I got to know like BCA people got 5 LPA. 20 BCA people uh, got 5 LPA package from Deolite. So you can understand if BCA people will getting 5 lakh LPA, so why BTech people will not get? So it's a basic thing, the thing that they are having, problem solving skill. If you are a problem solver is good, then you are going to get a good job. It doesn't matter master degree also they are getting 3 to 4 lakh. If you are doing master degree from a non-affiliated like normal college, but if you are doing master degree from a big college like IIM, IITs, NITs, MNITs, then you are getting too much payment as well and also too much reputation company. These are the highest paying thing that computer science job having. It doesn't matter what field you are. If you have a good problem solving skill, I'm again and again telling you, good problem solving skill, then you are going to get a good job. How you will get a good problem skill? By using JSA, by using a programming language, either it would be Python, C++, or Java. 3 things you should follow. Then you are going to excel in anything. How you will practice? There are platforms, HackerRank, CodeChef, CodeForces. You need 3 months to excel in these things, and after 3 months, you are ready to get a great job. At least 5 LPA. Okay. Now we will see some roles, and I guess 20 role we will see in computer science field. First, I will tell you about software development. Okay. What software developer, as you already know, like you are going to build softwares, you are going to manage some softwares which already built it, or you have to build from scratch. Okay. So as you all know, main responsibility will be same, plan, manage, and software development process. And also it will be facilitate communication between different team members and departments. Means that's team requirements. You're not going to work alone. You will be having a team in which there will be team manager, team lead, team members. You're not going to work alone. So that's why it is important to work with a team. Okay. And also plan and manage the software development process very equally. Communicate with clients. Sometimes you will also get offers to communicate with client. You should have a good pronunciation and good communication skill as well, by which you can communicate with clients. If you don't uh, have a good communication, then you are not able to communicate with clients. Sometimes also the one who communicate with clients also offer something. Okay, so it's a very great thing if you get opportunity to communicate with clients. It's great for IT industry. In IT industries, you can say it's a myth who get chance to communicate with clients. The people they are going to upgrade themselves. Upgrade means they're going to get a hike of something. Identifying possible product improvements. Okay, if something client is telling you this is not okay, this is not okay, so you have to also identify and also you have to improve those things. The client that telling to you. Train and guide your junior programmers. The thing that also happen in industry, if you are a senior level programmer, senior level software engineer, then you have to train and guide your junior. The company will pay you, but yeah, you should have a responsibility of that also to mentor your junior. Like if I'm having 10-year experience, 20-year experience, and you're having 0 year experience, so I will guide you in my company will give me some money regarding that. Okay. Create detailed report. Whatever work you do, you have to create your report, and also you have to evaluate yourself till what process you have expect. Okay. And also you should have a good presentation skill. So these are the important things. The main thing, that's average annual salary. Everyone wants a good salary. So you can say It's not for India. I have taken for US. In India, it's very low. 5 LPA, you can say normal, or 3 to 4 LPA is a normal salary. Or 10 LPA nowadays is going hike due to Corona. Is 10 LPA nowadays average salary of IT industry, software developers. It's similar to previous one that we have discussed, software development director, principal software engineer. There's some difference in salary only, but yeah, it will get more efficient projects and scale projects. Means they got big projects. All things will remain same. There is some salary, small difference in salary of 10. Yes, an issue. Okay, cool. So we are saying principal software engineer. So here we have seen all things will be same, but yeah, you have to get a great project, a big project, which is already a scalable project. Okay, what do you mean by scalable? That we will discuss later. Site reliability engineer. A few months ago, not few months, earlier months, like in September, LinkedIn released this post, software reliability engineer intern. Okay, so that's why I'm telling to you, LinkedIn is also a great platform by which you will get a notification, get a job, get an internship, get a referral. So that's why I will prefer to go on LinkedIn and prefer and explore yourself. The annual salary is less. The main salary of director is very high, but yeah, it's a less salary for in India. I guess say it will be 5 to 7 LPA average for this type of role. SRE, that's site reliability engineer. SRE we call. Okay. We have a security consultant. How many of you know cyber security? I guess everyone knows because it's a trending topic. If technology increases day by day, so you have to also increase your security. As we all know, like if we have our home, then we put before going out, we have a lock our home. That's why, like in technology, also you have to provide security in every field. We are talking, so only those people talk who are allowed to talk in this seminar. Okay, so like that you have to understand security is very important, but the salary you can say it's very less, 85,000 or 600 USD dollar. So it's very less in comparison to other role. But yeah, it's a very high security, and other companies they provide very good salary if you become more senior to them. So for this, the main responsibility will be potential threats. Nowadays, you can say your YouTube and Google accounts is hacked very easily. So the reason behind that, security, they have less security, or you have provided less secure password, less secure. You can say you forget password thing. So those things you have to work on in this role, and also you have to preventive measure. Preventive means something you have to stop by which you can get a security. Design and improve data security system. Everyone and every company have data security system by which they protect uh, their outer layer of their organization. Every organization have their own software, so they don't want like anyone can interfere and hack their data. So they have their own data security system by which they look on that thing. Create emergency plan for data breaches or data loss. Okay, so this is the important thing as well. They create emergency plans. If your data, like some days before we got to know, all GitHub or LinkedIn user data displays on the GitHub. So it's a data breach. So create emergency plan. If your data will be leaked, then what you will do? So this will be responsibility in this post. You have to understand. Yeah, nowadays this also is very trending post, DevOps. So the full form is development operation engineer. Means in this you are going to maintain and also do some development project. There's two things: operation plus development. Means you have to do development project as well, but yeah, with operation, with management, with administration. So these are the important terms that you have to understand. And the average salary is with 90,000 USD dollar. Cool. And here also you have to manage cloud infrastructure. Nowadays, you understand cloud word is very important. Windows is on cloud now. How many of you know Cole? How many of you know like Windows is on cloud now? Yes, please confirm. How many of you know Windows we can access in cloud as well now? Means it doesn't matter whatever laptop you have. Yes, that's called Windows 365. Anuj is saying right. That's the name Windows 365. So these are the important things you should know also. Interview can ask you these things as well. What is this? What is this? You know this thing, trending technology, what comes now? So these things you should know. Cool. So we are moving further. So we have seen DevOps engineer. Okay. Cyber security. As we have seen this post, security consultant. In this, they are going to only consult what fit they can provide and what ways by which they can protect. Now here you are going to do that things that they will tell you. Okay, consultant means they are going to analyze it and they're going to only tell. They are not going to implement. But in this, you are going to implement all the things which is told by that consultant. Either it's security of computer system, security of network, security of IP, test scripting software, like that. This is the important things like firewalls, data encryption programmers, potential threats. The thing that we have discussed earlier, you have to implement here in this post, cyber security engineer. This is very less in India, but yeah, uh, nowadays very big colleges have this branch as well, cyber security branch. Okay, security engineer. You can see like the post is only different cyber security, security. It is similar, but in India it's not. In UK it's different. Cyber security and security. In India they said like yeah, you are cyber security. In that they will provide you so many different work. Not only cyber security work, they also provide you Android development work. You also provide you web development work. But they also provide courses that's made by their mentors. Okay, full stack developer. How many of you know full stack? Yes. Yes, please confirm. How many of you know full stack? Okay. Yeah, Abhishek says both front end and yeah, Vaishnavi is also saying right. It's a both front end and back end. But nowadays, front end and back end have a very large varieties. There's in front end we call HTML, CSS, JavaScript in earlier days, but now we have Node.js, Angular, React.js, so many other technologies in which we are going to make front end. When talk about backend, earlier we have JSP, PHP. Nowadays we have Node.js and other technology which is coming day by day. So that's why the front end developer it's very high. You can see average annual salary, no data available. It's depend company to company, but yeah, the average salary is 10 to 15 LP of a full stack developer. The number of full stack developer is very less, but the number of backend engineer is also very less. I will prefer you guys if you know backend, that would be great. But I already told you, it's depend to company to company. Some company don't want anything; they want problem solver, like Google, Microsoft. Just they want problem solver. If you are a problem solver, they will take you in. I'm just telling an example of a big company. What big companies do? They don't want anything. They don't want like you know anything. Don't if you don't know anything, just you don't to know only one thing. That's a problem solving skill. They are going to in either it's 10 LPA, either it's 20 LPA. If you know problem solving skill, then you are going to get a good job with a good LPA as well. Okay. So I already told you work with both front end and back end. Maintain the quality and responsiveness of software and application. I guess if you're of CS background, then you know these two technical words. Okay, organize and maintain code integrity. Integrity says like everything should be unique and everything should be stable. Nothing should be go wrong and against the policy of the company. Nine says computer scientist. The word scientist is already saying everything. Means you have to do a high level research and you have to implement research papers. How many of you have any research paper? Anyone of you have research paper? Yes. Okay, no one have research paper. Cool, no issues. But in this, we are going to look also some research paper and how research paper is going to. One person says me on LinkedIn, they got selected due to research paper of 10 LPA. The interview asks only research paper. They don't see anything like your problem solving, your software developer thing. Nothing they ask. They ask only because in introduction he mentioned like I'm researching this thing in this and I have reached this height on my research. So it explains everything and it takes nearly 2.5 hours of that interview. That's why in interview it's most important thing. If you have a research paper, you will get wisely a great job. Okay. So in this, you're going to implement research ideas that everyone having. As you know, like in AI, we're having so many research. Uh, some debating result also is there, in which complication also come day by day. How we are improving, how we are implementing. Because you can see India is very poor country. In the sense, poor country means there's less people who are having good salary in their life. There's some people always here as well who are not getting to feed every day. Okay, software developer. This is the normal post of India that we are having. Software developer engineer, SDE, that we call in average. So this is very common for every developers in which you have to develop some apps, websites, anything that company give to you. It depend company to company. But it's yeah, this is the important and main role that is given by various companies. Software developer engineer, graduate software developer engineer. Like that, there are so many roles it comments. Okay. Now let's discuss some question. Then I will go with other slide. Any question till now that you want to ask? Okay, Abhishek, you know IEEE. That's really great. Yeah, guys. So the mistake that we do, like to do not speak. If you have any doubt, ask yourself. This is the point. If you go for tomorrow, if you go for 10 minutes later, you don't get any chance. This is a chance. If you have a doubt, you can ask because chance will give you only one time. Opportunity is only for one time. It will not come again and again. If you're in final year, you know these things. If you get an interview call and if you not prepare and if you fail on that interview, it will be not very well for you and for your future as well. So that's why if you get a chance, try to ask everything. Okay. As you are from CS department, I'm mentioning 4 things as well. So let's discuss 4 things as well. Okay. 5 things that make you place. First, data structure. Okay. Also DP. DP, hope you know, dynamic programming. Second, when we talk about DBMS. And also when we talk about SQL queries. And when we talk about OOPS concept with real life examples. Fourth, one programming language. That will be C++, Python, or Java. Okay. Fifth, most of the company nowadays ask aptitude. Aptitude include quants, reasoning, and some English. If you do these things, you are going to clear any exam. Any means any exam. Either it's Microsoft exam, either it's Google exam. This is the important thing. Any query on this? Yeah, I will discuss. I will discuss in my next slide, Rajesh. So I've already told you like these things required to get a good job in CS IT department. Data structure, also DP, DBS, SQL queries as well. OOPS, real life example as well. One programming language that will be C++, Python, Java. Aptitude will be quant sensing and English. So this will be most important thing that you have to consider before moving for an interview, for any normal coding question, for any normal test, where to learn DS, DP, full DSR. First of all, everyone you are having DS in your syllabus as well. If you are CS department, so you should have DS and there's subject DA, that's DEE. That's called data structure and algorithm. How many of you having your subject DS data structure in your college? Yes. Yeah, Rajesh. Fine. So everyone have either it's your research intern how to get it. Everything needs these thing only. It doesn't matter what your role applying in IT. If you have this skill, any job you can, any internship you can crack. You should know these things only. Some companies don't ask this aptitude one. Some company only ask these four things in IT field. But some company ask this, like Infosys, Wipro, and all. Big giants ask this. Big MNCs. But when I talk about Google, Microsoft, they don't ask aptitude. They ask these simple things. But yeah, Microsoft also asks aptitude as well. They have mentorship program. If you are 22 batch, you can apply for mentorship program in the Microsoft portal. It's already launched. Yeah, Anuj, hope your answer will be cleared. Guys, try to speak up. Okay. If you are not able to speak here, then what you do in your interview, what you will do in your company. So if you are not able to speak now, feel confident. There's nothing. You will speak. I will listen. That it does only. So try to speak up. Try to get unique. Then only because competition is so high. Okay. There's lots of people in your college as well. There's 100 people. So every 100 people will try to get a job. If some IIT they're having 5,000 people, so they all will try to get a job. They are competing with each other. If you are unique, then only you are going to get unique from the company, and the company will select you. That's why. Okay. So we are moving to our second slide, in which I'm going to discuss some more points on computer science engineering pathways. So that already we have discussed. Software developer is a common role in which we are going to discuss CMS, customer management system, or client management system. Okay. HTML, PHP, CSS, JavaScript, HTML again. Like that, you will implement so many technologies in software developers. Data science, someone asking. Data science, how many of you know data science? It's a very trending topic. Anyone can define what is data science? Yes. Okay. Yeah, Abhishek, can you speak please if you know data science? Study about the data that we are producing day by day. Okay. That's come under data analytics that we are having. There's so many topics which is similar. Someone says AI and ML are same. Someone says data science, data analytics are same. So there are lots of topics you have to understand. They are not same. Everyone have some uniqueness. That's why the name are different. Okay. Analysis of data. Yeah. Somehow you are right, guys. And mostly part we will see here. Data scientists take knowledge and insight from structured and unstructured data. There's a word structure and unstructured. We will try to understand somehow here. Structure means which is given in a format, like your name, your branch, your section. This is a structure. Okay. When I talk about any unstructured, your name is given here. Your section is also given in that column. So it will be create unstructured thing. So it will be not very useful for the machine as well, not for wholly human. Okay. So that's called unstructured. So it says data scientists exist knowledge and structured data using scientific method, processes, and algorithms that use knowledge across broad range of applications. Means you are going to implement in broad range of applications. It doesn't matter you're going to implement in only one app. You are having a knowledge to extracting the data from different sources, not only from one source. We have a lot of resources, and from that you are going to extract data. Like I feel this Google form, I also feel that Google form. So a company is there who bought all that Google form data, and they are extracted all the data, and they are fixing, and we are checking, analyzing which is fit for this company, which is fit for this company, and then they sold their data, and then they enjoy their life. So that's all about. You can see here as well in the picture, they are analyzing the data, okay, using some technologies, using some methods that they are having. If you learn data science, that in which you will get to know web developers. So how many of you are web developers? Yes. Yes, no one is web developer. That's very strange. Okay. Okay, I guess most of them are very shy. Guys, don't be shy. If you are in final year or pre-final year, then you have to be very interactive to any of them. It's not only me. If anyone comes to you uh, and share their knowledge, then you should be very interactive. So web developer, we all know this technology that I've discussed earlier as well: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Oracle, React.js, MongoDB, Node.js, MySQL, Angular, SQL. So these are the technology that you have to work on as a front end or back end engineer. System analyst, that role comes under very unique and very, some companies, there's lots of companies provide system analyst role. Infosys is the biggest giant who provide this role, okay, system analyst, in which you are going to also become chief technical officer. Sometimes they will offer you chief technical officer if you going to sustain for 10 years, 15 years, so that company can understand, yeah, this is a loyal employee, and we can give this role to him or her, chief technical officer. It's the biggest, like CEO, like CTO. Okay, it's an executive officer, it's a technical officer. Database administration, earlier it was very high role, but nowadays it's becoming cloud administrator. There is no role of data administration nowadays, but earlier it was. But now it's a cloud administrator. That's why the cloud technology is very trending. But yeah, you should also know database administration. Some way, some companies nowadays also using database administration, and everyone company have data administration, because if any company having their sites, any company have their clients, they should maintain our data. That's why we have a database to store that database in a storing financial records and customer shipping records. Means everything that's need storage, that's database. Okay. Artificial intelligence and machine learning engineer. Okay, if you don't know anything about AI and ML, it's very easy to learn, but yeah, it's hard to implement. It's easy to learn, hard to implement. That's the topic of AI and ML. But yeah, AI is a super class of machine learning. Machine learning comes under AI. So they both have, some also says they are opposite and synonym to each other, but it's not. A machine learning and artificial intelligence focuses on researching. Means if you do some research, if you see some behavior of human, then only you are going to implement that in your machine life. Nowadays, AI, what is doing AI? All thing that we can think, human can think, they're implementing the same thing in machine. That's AI. If a machine can perform like human, that's process called AI that we have implementing. Machine learning says if some data is given, and on that data we run a machine so that it can read that data and implement that data. That's known as machine learning. Machine learning simply says you are going to learn the machine, like we also learn in our fifth class. Now also we are learning. So like that also we are going to learn to the machine. That's called machine learning process. Okay. Automated, best example is a self-driving car. First we teaches them how to drive a car, then we implemented AI. Like human, like think, you have to turn this. If there is a left right, the left right is here, right is here. So like that you have to implement. So it's all about here, and you can follow me in this that we are having. Okay. So you can follow me on this. This is my LinkedIn. This is GitHub, and this is our Telegram channel of Let's Do More. And you can join our Instagram as well. Okay, I have already 25,000 plus follower over LinkedIn. I will show you as well. Okay, so I will show you my profile. How many of you have account on LinkedIn? Oh, no, this. Yes, how many of you have account on LinkedIn? Okay, that's great. How many connection you have in LinkedIn as well? Please let me know. I will help you to grow as well in there. Yes, I have 94 connection. That's great. Abhishek says he have 250 connections. Cool. Okay, so let's see how many I have. So you can see I have 25,773 followers. That's connection also. So you can see I have been part of Microsoft. I have been keynote speaker in very colleges and communities. I also a growth hacker. I also help to other people to grow. That's why we have our community. Let's promote the motto of that to improve the capacity and knowledge in the community. As you know, like I belong from a village. The village is situated in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj. I hope you know Kumbh Mela. That's on Allahabad. Now it's changed name, Prayagraj is. So in Allahabad I live, and I belong to a village. Here the sustainable water is also an essential thing. Just I try to live here, but yeah, uh, you can say there's some possibilities to improve the system, to improve our village, to proud our village by doing some positivity thing that we are having. Also motivate others to do those things by which they can have good education, they could have good priority like in their life, by which they can get a good job as well, so that they can change their life. So we have this website in which you will see we have a home, and here you can see all about us, what we do under Let's Grow More. Okay, I'm going to talk about LGM Educate. So here we provide on training. So we have training on three types: web development, Python, C programming, DSA. Okay, so we do data structure using C. So it's a paid training. But yeah, if you want to program, so we have LGM Virtual Internship Program. In this, you will get an idea what we do and what we have. So let's see one example what Virtual Internship Program is. Yeah, it's opening. Yeah. So you can see it's a LGM, that's less from more. We have a virtual internship program. In that you can see what about us, what we have done till now, what we are doing, and for why we are doing this. And this is an internship. You can see the only way to degrade work is to love what you do. That already I have told you. Here the quote is written by Steve Jobs. Hope you know who is Steve Jobs. And if you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle, as all the matter of earth, you will know what you find. Okay. So we have these type of things in our internship program. You will get a completion certificate if you complete all the tasks within a given timeline. Recommendation letter if you complete all the tasks which is given. Workshop guidance we will provide on our YouTube channel. You can visit. Network opportunity that we already provide in multicultures and diverse working network. And we have this is an unpaid internship because it's for learning purpose. So that's why this is an unpaid internship. And flexible working hours means you can do any time from your hours, and your own computer internet should be there. Learning what you can learn from this internship, you can schedule calls and meetings with your mentor, and there will be mentor for you as well. On demand support will be there. Yeah, for mentorship, minimum completion certificate, and you should be completion at least 2 tasks in the given. And you can join our LinkedIn group as well in from here, and you will get a mandatory task from interns, and additional task if you do that will be your for LOR. We have 3 levels in web development: beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. Okay, so if you are a beginner, then you can create a single page website, and second, you can create intermediate level website. It will be on React basis. The tutorial is already given here. And third, that will be advanced level task that you have to create a student result maintenance system. Okay, so that's an example, but we have more type of internships and more type of trainings. Okay, so here you can see these are the internship and training program that we're having. We already conducted 2 programs: LGM SOC, that's a summer of code, and we have connected LGM East, which is the coding event. Apart from this, we're having a more opportunity section in which we have more opportunities. You can see here. Okay, grow with us. You will find all the details here. So these are the opportunities that we are having. Okay, so you will get to know all the things if you visit our site. So I'm sharing the link as well in the comment section so that you can visit. Yes, so this is the main link, and I'm putting another link as well. Cool. So guys, I am free to question now. Now you can ask every question that you have clearly overall, and don't forget to ask any doubt. If you are not able to clear your doubt now, then you are not going to clear your doubt anyhow in future as well. If someone come to share your knowledge and to help you guys, then you should come ahead and help yourself as well. Any small doubt you can ask if you have. Yes. Yeah, guys, you can speak up. Okay. Abhishek, any more queries that I have to cover? Abhishek, are you there?
Yes, sir. I am there, sir.
Yes, some company provide data science jobs, but yeah, you should. I guess most of the companies provide you data science internship only. They will not provide you job. They will train you nearly 1 to 2 years. Then after that, they will provide you career in AI. Yeah, AI and data science, all the fields are same. AI is not going to stop. It is going to top in every field. Nowadays, you can see robots everywhere, in malls, in restaurants. In Japan, you have seen some are serving. Mostly, the robots are serving in the malls, and also for that they need 50 to 100 engineer to maintain a robot, because in that they need a script, they need some other queries. If something not happening correctly, then also they have to look on why it is not happening. So for that they need at least 50 to 100 engineers, that's CSAT engineers, for a one robot. So you can see what if anything go on for AI, then all thing depends upon engineers. That's especially CSIT engineers. So that's why the demand of CSIT is not going to end. It will be high level. It will be not going to stop anywhere. Other branches can be stopped, mechanical, civil, that can be stopped, but CSIT is not going to stop now. In where 200 application coming earlier in colleges, but now it's coming 1000, 2000 application in CSIT only. So you can understand why the people are going for only this. Yeah, guys, you can fill the feedback form as well so that we have. Yes, the reason behind that, we don't. Yeah, Shiva is asking, you have created your site in WordPress. Yes, our site is in WordPress because we don't, in earlier when we have created, we don't have a very limited time. So that's why we have created that time. And the hosting that we having that time, it's WordPress. That's why we have shifted to that. As we are helping the community, we are not very that big level that we are working on. Just we are trying to help the community anyway, so we have just created for that. But yeah, we have another website that's not hosted yet, and our core team is working on it, and it soon will be live, but it's not on main server. How I get paid internship in web development? It's very easy. Yesterday I got one email from a company. So if you are interested, you can join our Less Rumor channel that already I'm shared. So this is the link. You can join. https lestrumor.in. Yesterday, I guess our team has shared in the group. You can join our Telegram channel as well. So everyone, please fill the feedback form. If you are planning to write MBA entrance exam, is it better to do it right after graduation or having work experience is better? Nowadays, if you are going for a private MBA, then it will be preferable to do with your work. You can do a side MBA if as well. But if you want a good MBA experience, then you have to apply for real life class as well. Career in graphic designing. As you can see, like nowadays UI UX, the topic UI UX is very trending. Every company needs a good UI UX designer because the design of a website of anything that they are building, either it's a website or any data set that they are building, the thing that they need UI UX designer, that's come under graphic designing. Okay, so UI UX is a trending job and high rating and high paying job as well. If you know this thing, then you are going to play a vital role in the industry. Earlier we don't know about UI UX, but now every company wants UI UX designer. That's come under graphic designer. Hope and Barashu, your doubt is cleared. Is any more doubt? Okay, I'm also sharing my LinkedIn link so that you can connect with me there as well. Okay, fine. Abhishek, are
Yeah,
you there?
thanks. Yes, sir.
So I guess, yeah, you can fill the feedback from everyone so that.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, sir, for coming and accepting our invitation, sir. And I hope all our students have a well experience on career guidance today, sir. Thanks for coming once again, sir. Um, then all students can fill the feedback form, and if you have any queries, ask Aman, sir.
Yeah, if you have any question, you can ask so that we can proceed.
Or if not, then uh, fill the feedback form and thanks,
Yes.
sir, in the chat box.
You can fill the feedback form, guys, so that we can go ahead with our session. Cool. Which technology you choose for building a web page? The basic technology is simple: HTML, CSS. If you go on more, React.js will be there. React.js and also Angular will be there. So these are the basics technology by which you can build a web page. First, you have to understand, like Abhishek, both are different. Node.js is for backend, React.js is for frontend. Yeah, React.js is for frontend and Node.js is for backend. Go for React.js for now. Carry on, yeah. Blockchain is also a trending technology. Blockchain and IoT, these two are already trending, because when you have your AC and from your phone you can switch on your AC or fan as well. So it's come under blockchain and IoT department. So you can develop a good app as well, in which you can connect your AC and your app as well, by which you can change anything using your app only. Okay.
Now I request Arimachalian to deliver vote of thanks.
Sir, do you have any queries to clear, sir? You can clear, sir. Then I will deliver my vote of thanks.
I guess most of the queries are cleared now.
Okay. If anyone has any queries, please speak now, or else I will proceed with my vote of thanks. Okay, sir. I will proceed. Our most valued invited guest, I am very much humbled and honored to be the one making the closing of today's function by proposing vote of thanks. My heart fills with lots of gratitude and respect for our chief guest, Mr. Raman Kesarwani, for not only sharing his invaluable time for us to grace this occasion, but also for enlightening us with his commendable speech on the subject, especially head of the department, Dr. P. Marikana sir, for supporting and encouraging us at all times. And last but not least, I would like to extend my thanks to all the students present here for making this program. I hope that we all learned something new today. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining, and thank you Abhishek as well, and all the team who organized this seminar, and also the college who supported and faculty who supported for this webinar. And hope you will get a great job, and best of luck for your career and future endeavors, all the people. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I also thank you very much, Ellen, for this vote of thanks, and thank you, sir. And if anybody interested on internships can join sir's company, Let's Grow More, as he has already discussed in the previous.
Yeah, guys, if you have your interest in your that thing that you have discussed already, and everything is mentioned in this website. You have to just visit your website so that you can get an idea how the thing is working, and you can proceed with that. Thank you, everyone. Hope we will meet soon, and you can connect with the LinkedIn. Abhishek, you can share my LinkedIn link in that in your WhatsApp group if you have asked, so that they can connect with me.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Have a great day ahead.
Okay, sir.